Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And today is a tough day to find a real stock of the day. Now, the only one I came up with was really US Steel X. Why? Because it did show up on my watch list down. Just give you a brief glimpse of this. There's my watch list down, okay, at 2104. Read the news about it in the pre-market. Goldman has downgraded it. They had an original price target of 35. They downgraded it to 21s, but interestingly, it did go down below 21. So I ended up taking the short just a little bit under 21. In my watch list, it showed up at 2104. I always like to say a whole number break, and it got all the way down to 2044. And I'm not in it anymore. As I say, this is not what I would call like a fantastic trade of the day, but look at the SPY. The SPY has been just sort of chopping. We had a big gap down. It popped up, it came down, popped up again, came down, popped up, moving down. So it's a very, very choppy day. Difficult to find a lot of really strong trending stocks. At least it was for me for the things that I was looking at. But U.S. Steel gave me a good return. And again, seeing the news about Goldman downgrading it certainly helped. So U.S. Steel, such as it is, was the stock of the day. All right, want to get back into the trading room. And again, in the email you're getting, you will see the sign up for the test drive. The test drive starts on Monday, so fast approaching. So sign up for it, $11.11. You'll get 10 trading days with Trade Ideas using our full premium service. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.